So, welcome to another scintillating lifestyle episode, my dear learners, where conversations sparkle and ideas come alive. So, today is extra special because we have an incredible guest in the house. So, join your hands, open your hearts, and get ready to give a warm welcome to Bithika ji. So, Bithika ji, the stage is all yours. I would like you to give your crispy introduction.
Sure, ma'am, definitely. I am Bithi. I'm connecting with you from Kolkata, and I have passed my masters in philosophy. I am blessed with a son, and I am a homemaker as well as a home tutor, and I am running a channel. My channel's name is English with Bithi. That's all about me.
Oh, wow. So you are doing great. I mean, you are so active. So I am so happy that you are here and you have taken out some time from your busy schedule and you are here with me. So, BTG, I want to ask you that what is one healthy habit you follow every day to keep yourself active and vibrant?
Well, ma'am, I wake up 7 o'clock, and after brushing my teeth, I drink a glass of lukewarm water and go to for a little walk. You can say it is one of the healthy habit to my lifestyle.
Wow. So that is the secret that you wake up early. That means you are an early bird. And after that, you prefer to drink lukewarm water. So may I ask you, it's personal, but how many glasses do you drink?
Just one glass.
Just one
I
glass.
drink
Oh,
yes, one glass.
and coming up next is how do you manage your time between work and personal life? Because we can be considered as online professionals. So I think that it's quite difficult for us to juggle work life and family life. So, how do you manage?
Well, ma'am, it's a good question. Generally, I fix up my morning session in advance, and I practice. I do my all work in morning schedule, and in the evening session, I give my family. I spend my family. It's a quality time.
Wow. And you are a source of inspiration for those women, I can say, who want to know the secret. So this is your secret weapon, that when you are with your family, you are not only physically present but spiritually also, right? And when you are in your class, when you are teaching, then your mind is like a teacher, worrying not about anything else, right? Very nice, impressive. And what is your favorite way to relax after a busy day? Like, we all have a busy day, but is there any choice or any kind of activity you wish to indulge in to make yourself rejuvenated?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes it's a busy schedule, and that day after a busy schedule, I usually take a cup of tea and soft music for my and I feel comfortable with a cup of tea and just some soft music. That's why
I
I relax my.
quite relatable because I am also a tea lover, right? And sometimes I get scolding from my mother-in-law, especially, that every single moment I want to drink fierce tea and to make myself energized for the next session. So happy
Yes.
that we are in the same boat regarding we both are tea lovers. So nice. And do you prefer a morning routine? Like you told me earlier that you wake up at 7 o'clock. I know you are an early bird, but still, I want to ask you that do you prefer morning routine or an evening one?
Yes, ma'am. I try to try to fix my morning routine, because whenever I follow my morning busy schedule, that time it gives me energetic, and energy and more focus, and positive mindset, that gives me whole day a positive mindset.
Amazing. Because, I'm also a morning person, and I also believe that if we wake up early, then we can strategize our whole day, and we may not feel drained at the end of the day. So good to hear that. I think that you are quite relatable. We both have the same personalities and same choices. Nice to know that. And the last question which I want to ask you is very interesting. What is one small change you made that improved your lifestyle?
Well, it is also a good question for me. Actually, ma'am, recently I have stopped scrolling to my cell phone, and as a result, I sleep uh, good manners. Actually, I want to say, as a result, my sound sleep is going.
Hmm.
Just
So you have decided to hit the bed on time, right? So that's clapping for
it,
you and hats off to you as well. Have reduced those cups of tea, like, because you know that drinking too much tea is harmful for health. Kind of dopamine, we feel a little bit happy, but after finishing up that cup of tea, we again want to have another cup of tea. So this is never ending process. So
just like mobile is
BTG,
calling.
so BTG, it was a quick and very short session with you, and I really enjoyed this session. So I just want to ask you as well whether you enjoyed this quick session with me.
Yes, ma'am, of course. I would love to talk with you again if you wish.
I am always ready to talk like a parrot.